Wow, Buffhead, you were out all night. I thought I remember trying to call you. You okay? Today's the 17th of December, Saturday. We just watched the movie Unknown with Liam Neeson. It's in the morning. First pretty snow we've had this year. It's pretty. We're on the border of the snow. We're riding into the snow from our exit on West 14th. It's not snowing in Tremont, but as you can see, it's snowing east of Cleveland as we drive into it.
So this was supposed to be gone.
Wow. Yeah, we didn't think it would be like this.
Come on, buddy, get ahead of me. Go on, I'm going slow.
Here we are at Beverage Distributors, and it's like a world away in terms of the way the weather is here with all the snow and everything.
Why are these people in this street?
Okay, the Columbia building that used to be here stood for 100 years, and it's being replaced by a parking garage that, as it was being built, collapsed.
Oh, you can't really see it so well.
Yeah.
Person on my side.
I don't know, but you got plenty of room. You have plenty of room. They're way back. Well, we thought it would clear up by the time we got back out to the west side, and no.
Do I want to get on the highway?
Well,
I want to get home as soon as possible.
I would say, yeah, get on the highway.
What is...
There's pilings for the bridge. Okay.
Come on, cars, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Oh, are you kidding me?
Just keep going.
Look at this jackass.
Former Asterisk Gallery. Wow, it's a movie theater.
It's a movie theater.
Well, it has like that movie theater.
Well, it's got the opening that stores used to have those, you know. You'd walk in and you'd look in the windows and see the displays.
I didn't realize it was that kind of style.
Yeah, and you can see the old
Walking over to Bruce and Laila's studio. They're having an open house. Take a look, be neighborly.
Ginkgo.
This is the entrance to the sushi bar at Dante's. I didn't realize it was so slick.
A few places. Here's an old piece. I did it in '91. It went to Cincinnati, then I went to Columbus, and then it was at University of Akron School of Art.
I used to love Tremont.
Yeah?
Yeah. Haven't done it since like the 80s.
Oh, you can always start again.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't know, my old fingers, I don't know.
And those are drawings that I did. It was an ongoing performance gallery.
Sure is pretty out today.